My name is Hannah. I'm 36 years old, and I had the procedure of a tummy tuck with lipo done by Dr. Shaddix. I'd come to see Dr. Shaddix because we had recently moved here, and I had gone almost 12 years with muscle separation after having large babies. And after doing some Google searches and comparing him to other surgeons, his reviews were outstanding compared to the rest. My separation was so significant that you could literally take a fist and push in between my abdominals and feel organs. It's documented as an abnormality if you Google it, but it's also unsafe if you ever had gotten in a car accident or hit there. So it was mostly done for a medical reason. I was told by Dr. Shaddix that I was one of the worst cases of separation he had ever seen, which made me feel validated in the reason of getting it done, and just that I wasn't crazy for wanting to fix my body and feel good in my body. I remember leaving the practice and going to get coffee with my husband, just looking down and not having, to hide that part of my body, and I just couldn't believe it. I told him he's very gifted. The communication has been phenomenal. I was contacted the night before by Dr. Shaddix, and then after the procedure. The way the staff moves here is a lot like synchronized swimming. They're all on the same page. They function that way. They make themselves completely available. Even Dr. Shaddix had called me from his home. I could hear his kids in the background, meaning he's committed to my healing and any needs that I have. My life has significantly changed as far as how I feel about myself, more than how I look, but just how I feel. I'm able to exercise without feeling like I'm falling behind. It has opened many doors in what types of exercises I can do. Just going to the store, I had actually sent Dr. Shaddix a text saying, "This is the first time I've been in a fitting room and not cried." I feel like now I'm able to be more active with my family, including things. We are a very outdoors family and adventurous, and I have a young 4-year-old still who was very upset during my recovery since I couldn't pick her up. But after I'm able to run with them, I just played soccer with my son the other day, which hasn't happened. Anything involving running or being active with them, I'd either be in pain or just uncomfortable in general. I would say to anyone considering this procedure to just go with it and take your fear and just push it to the side. Is 100% worth the better quality of life that I'm feeling now. And looking back, it was just such a small time of my life that I had to recover and heal, and I'm now reaping the benefits of that.